Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to sell your designs on Canva. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the any web browser and search for the Canva creators. So yes guys, in order to sell your designs on Canva, you must be a Canva creator. So in order to do that, all you have to do is search for the Canva creator on the Google search address bar and tap on the Canva creators option available on top. After you tap on it, simply continue with the process, and after this all you have to do is fill out a long form of a Canva creator. You must be a Canva creator in order to sell the design in Canva. So you can see a Canva has left you a long form or description. All you have to do is fill it. You will have to provide a URL link of your work as well. So after this, they will go through your account or go through your some form and inform you as soon as possible. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.